Hi everybody, my name is Chris Williamson and I'm the president of Expedited Service Partners.
My name is Jesse Fish. I work for Expedited Service Partners. I'm involved in field operations.
My name is Mark Shudo. This will be my 33rd year of restoration being in the industry.
I've been in the industry for about 30 years. I started with a little tiny company called Rocky Mountain Catastrophe out of Denver, Colorado. I answered an ad in the newspaper because I just needed a job after I got out of the military. I interviewed with a gentleman by the name of Jeff Steemack, who at the time owned Rocky Mountain Catastrophe and Steemack Construction, and they hired me. And I went to work as just a general laborer. And I worked there for 13 to 14 years. And that company, by the time I left, you guys will all know that as Belfour USA today. The key point of that is that in the industry we work in, restoration, the other groups in RIA, you really can do whatever you want to do in this industry. I started out making $4.50 an hour. I own my own company today.
I got involved in the restoration industry shortly out of college. I went and interviewed with a small restoration contractor, not knowing exactly what their business entailed. I was a construction management major and I really fell in love with the restoration industry, taking on a business development role. I love the people that I work with in the restoration industry and really how those relationships have evolved and allowed me to be more successful and also bring my professionalism up to a higher level and higher standard.
I got in it right about 19 years old. I had dropped out of school, needed a job. The local restoration company not too far down the street was hiring, applied and got on. It's been a journey, it's been fun, it's been challenging at times, but it's been more exciting than anything.
You'll hear from Mark Shudo, one of my counterparts. He was actually my boss when I started, and we have just the best time working together, running the wheels off our vehicles because maybe there wasn't money to fix them, or scraping toilet paper off of floors, and going out at midnight and sucking carpet. Pants were frozen because it was 15 below outside.
We would go into a water damage and we would physically cut the carpet out in the seams, soaking wet. We would take that carpet, extract as much water as we could out of it, and not with the truck mount. We didn't have truck mounts back then. We had Castex extractors, little vacuums and little ninja machines. Get as much water out, roll the carpet up, throw it over our shoulders and walk it out to the box truck. Once the carpet was in the box truck, we would then bring it to the warehouse, put it on a racking system, pull the chains, lift it in the air and let it dry. Once it was dry, bring it back to the house, reinstall it.
RIA has really helped me, especially early on. I had the opportunity to go to a RIA conference about 12 years ago. It was my first conference that I actually attended. And it was really, really exciting for me because it allowed me to see other avenues of the industry that I didn't really know about. And without RIA, I wouldn't have known about some of those opportunities.
RIA to me is its credibility, its knowledge, it's a network of professionals that have really helped me through the years, establish my business, help me with my business, help me grow my business. They're really a platform that has helped me excel in leaps and bounds that I never thought possible without them.
My message to everyone out there who's watching this video would be just don't quit. Don't think because of where you are right now that has to define where you're going. You can do whatever you want to do.